Welcome back, everybody. It's Monkey Wrench and I'm Monkey Mike. Thanks for being here today. We have got some packages and I'm really excited to show you what I got. So I'm just going to go ahead and start busting into them. This one here came from California, so hopefully it ain't got no Rona in there. Not that I actually care anyways. Where's my cutters? No. What? Dude, I usually have like a oh, there it is. Woo! Alright. Ooh, it's kind of gross. Whatever. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. I can't even cut straight. Already infected. Woo. Don't cut towards you, kids. Cut away from you. Unlike I just did. Alright. So, the missing link. That should be it. Dude, what is with people lately? I don't understand it. This is the second time now I've gotten a small package. Dumb. Okay. Let's check this out. Woo. Alright, question of the day is this one any better than the one we have over there? Well, it's sealed up. That's first things first. Oh yeah, this thing looks completely different. And then, how about this guy here? Nachi Quest. I don't know why I said it like that. Oh, come on. Seriously? All that just to get a bearing out. Well, I mean, at least you know it's sealed in there. Oh, look at that. Woo! Alright. We got that. Ooh, we got some Exedy stickers. One that's all bent up, so I don't know what I do with that now. Oh well, we'll put it on the box. Move the El Camino badges. What do you think? Should we put it up here? Put it up here. Woo, there we go. Alright, now it's starting to look like a race car garage in here. Alright, so now I can finally start getting this done. But let's open this other guy up real quick too. Just so I can show you guys what it is. Here we go. Woo! These are... Oh my god. Come out. Is it gonna... Oh my god. Come on! There we go. Some Toyota coil on plug. So this is actually going to be an adapter I'm making. And it's been done before. This isn't anything that's crazy. But look at that. That fits in there real nice. And then, boom. Look at that. Right on top. So, most people make it to where it fits. I think they turn them... Let me see. Oh, I think they turn them like that. And they have the wires on this side. And it runs along this way. I'm going to do it like this. So it comes down. And everybody trips out. And acts like it's going to vibrate and come loose. Oh, I see why. Okay. 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 That makes sense. But this is easy to remedy. Not a problem at all. I'm just excited. Oh, it actually didn't look too bad in there. These were really cheap, so I'm super stoked about this. And we do got... Oh, crap. Fucking cockroach. Ugh. Gross. Got you, bitch. And then here, these are... This should be... This should be caps. So capacitors. It should be 10,000 millivolts or microfarad, actually. That's right. Bam. So there's those guys. Oh, that's not 10,000. It's only 1,000. I'll have to check that and make sure now, because I'm pretty sure I ordered 10,000, not 1,000. And then these, hopefully I don't destroy nothing here. Perfect. These are the, oh, well, you're welcome, whoever you are. Random person, I'm ripping your sticker. These should be resistors. Bam. So some 1K resistors. And this stuff here is for the coil and plug. This stuff here is for this. So we can just, oh yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put that in the fridge. Oh, do I even need to? I don't think I need to. Hammer time. Probably should have just froze it. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta just beat it. That's fine. That's fine. Feels good. Perfect. You see a finger a little bit? Yeah. Alright, getting a little weird in here. So there's that. And then this one here. I mean, to be honest, it almost looks like... Oh, no. No, it's not the same quality at all. I don't know. No, you can tell it's different. Look at the casing. Yeah, see, now here's the problem I have with this one. Okay. This piece right here. Look at that. Alright. This one here. Oh, this one does it too. Oh, but this is NTN. Genuine NTN. You can see it right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. Okay. Remember what I said about when a company is proud of their product, they'll put their name on it. There's the difference right there. NTN versus random junk. Let's see if there's any physical dimensional differences. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look at the actual outside casing even. Yeah, this one's slightly thicker, a little bit taller rather. Yeah, and even, oh yeah, this one has, you know, super loose, loosey-goosey right here. And then this one, this one's a little tighter, but it feels really smooth. See, listen too. Like you can just hear the difference. Yeah, this is definitely a better quality piece. You can see just the machining of the actual casing and whatnot. Even though it looks very similar, it's definitely not. You can tell by the actual, yeah, the outside casing and everything. So, sweet. And then we got our little clutch alignment tool, which is the same as this one here. I mean, I really hope there's nothing special. Yeah, it's the same exact part, literally. Identical. Both say Mazda 05, printed in the same location, so these are the same. That's whatever. But there you have it. There's today's update. We got some coil on plug stuff started, and we have all the Exedy stuff. I got that hammered in, so tomorrow I will start putting the flywheel and the clutch and everything together, and then we can move on. Oh, also, I got this genuine mobile. But I got this stuff right here, which I've never used orange before. You know, drop down in the comments if you guys have ever actually used the orange stuff. I've only used red and blue. Now I got this one because it says holds like red, but removes should say like blue. Removes with hand tools. 3 times stronger than blue apparently. We'll use that on the flywheel bolts and probably on the pressure plate bolts as well. Just so that we have some assurance that they're not going to go nowhere. And like I said, I'll probably use the OEM bolts with that, and definitely the OEM flywheel bolts because I don't have any other ones. But there it is. That's today's update. Maybe tomorrow, if I don't start doing that stuff, I really need to get the roll pan out of here and get this installed on the V10. See, it's been painted, and it's actually, let's see if we can get over to the other side and get some light on it. But it's been painted for quite a while now, and I really just need to get it installed and put on. Yeah, this is really pretty blue, which actually matches the truck. And then once I do that, oh, maybe I'll start getting to work on Fazda once the Miata is up and running. Don't forget about the giveaway, guys. I think I might add some random shift knobs that I have laying around that are in great condition. I don't really know, probably not, because I don't want to be like some janky used crap. I never used the Honda one, but I'm pretty sure it's just knockoff. And the other one's like a weighted carbon fiber knob that came with the Miata, and I'm never gonna use that thing. So, I don't know. I might toss them in, give them to a random winner, like one of the second or third place winners, something like that. I don't know. I'm really liking this GoPro though. This is pretty cool. So, yeah, I don't know. I want to get this stuff done, but I'm also kind of dabbed out and just want to go relax. And I mean, you guys know what month it is, right? Yeah, you know what month it is. All month long. All right, guys. This is gonna. I'm gonna end it right here. Hope y'all having a good night. Y'all take care. Peace.